Cue the office break room. Enter Bob, unsuspecting, brewing a cup of joe. Suddenly, Tom, the resident prankster, strikes up a conversation. "Did you know sneezing is like a symphony?" he asks, a mischievous glint in his eye. Bob, intrigued, plays along. Tom pulls out a whistle, causing Bob to spray his coffee in surprise. "First movement, the coffee crescendo," Tom declares, to the amusement of the onlooking colleagues. Bob, not one to be outdone, joins in the fun. "All right, Maestro Tom, what's next?" Tom reveals a kazoo and a rubber chicken, each producing ridiculous sounds. The kazoo chorus, the grand finale, the rubber chicken fanfare. The office erupts in laughter. Remember, folks, laughter is the best medicine, especially in the sneezing symphony.